gotta taste it though.
Open it. What if I barf? I'm gonna barf up hot wings.
Just have a bite.
Oh!
Just have a taste.
Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Do you want a napkin? You can throw up in this.
Oh my. Oh, it's horrible.
So you gotta have a taste too.
Yeah, right. I'm not tasting that.
Okay. What's in it?
Oh, Mom.
It's called frosted toast.
Oh, that's so disgusting.
Do you just taste it?
No, I just opened it.
Smells.
Give her water. Give her water.
Oh my God, that is horrible.
Here,
You are the
listen.
worst friend ever.
You gotta taste it.
No, it smells. I'm already gagging.
Yeah, when you put it in your mouth, it like melts.
It's so hard. You can take the toast and
Here
put
you
it
go.
against the thing and break
Yeah,
it.
that's what I said. That's why I got it for you. Because me and my daughter, like, it looks gross. See, look, it's called frosted toast, and it's expired.
It's expired?
No, it's not.
Oh.
It just has to be. Are you gonna hang that up on your wall along with? Do you want a piece of sponge now?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this next to the other one. Oh my God.